It's done. The GTR is done. Okay, see you guys in another 4 months.
Oh, kill!
Oh yeah, guys, the frame rails are finally done. They look so good. I'm gonna show you a little bit more of this, but you guys could see them.
It done took it so long, this frame.
Yeah, well, Jose's making fun of me for it taking 3 months to get this done, but
Eventually.
it's on its way. So this video is dedicated to getting the GTR back up and running, even though it won't really start running in this video, but progress. Progress is what this video is about. So no joke, the frame shop that I finally brought this to did an awesome job. So they cut off all the way back here, and then everything forward is new frame rail on this side, and then on that side they just had to straighten that out. So I just came back here to open the trunk, and I realized this video is probably going to be focused on just taking all of the parts out of the trunk. So yeah, let me get all this out of here, then I can put it up front and figure out what's going on. Yeah. Darren says hi, guys. Okay, well, I love you. Bye. Darylyn just couldn't get away from camera time because you guys like her so much. Don't like me. But back to taking stuff apart.
Control, put me under a microscope and watch me take control. What's this? I finally read this helplessness. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around and dear God,
I think I just took all of that out to then realize that all the nuts and bolts, yep, there they are. I didn't even need to go. That sucks. But hey, at least I know it's in the trunk now. Alright, so here's my nuts and bolts pile. There's for intercoolers. Hood, radiator, fan module. See, this is the most important part, is to get these little baggies and label everything that you take on and off. Even though I can't find the ones that are labeled. There we go, radiator support. Alright, so all I need is like the 2 bolts that go, those are big. It's none of these. One hand. Can we fix it? Oh, come on, fender. Gotta take the fender off. So that's how it lines up. The frame rails go through the holes. That's pretty much all I care about. Well, it's officially been so long since I've worked on this thing that I have to watch my own YouTube videos to see where parts go on this car. I'm definitely learning from this whole, like, procrastination station event and not getting that car done. Even close to how long it should have taken me to do it. But, YouTube it up. Okay, so that's what I need to see, like, so I see that it routes through there, but I may have to take off, like, these brackets to get it through. Not sure. Let's see if I take anything. Last little bit I'm doing today is just taking off this actual radiator support. No, you're not. Lies. All lies. Now I see why there were so many haters on parts 1 through 6. Yep. Alright, so now I just gotta take these hose clamps off. What I like to refer to as death clamps. Because when they pop, they'll mess up your fingers. But, take. Well, that's about as good as it's gonna get for now. At least the radiator looks good. So the difficult part is gonna be bolting up the intercooler piping and then figuring out what I was missing up top here. Because in the original video that I took, like, there was all sorts of plastic up here with, where's that bracket? That bracket right there was up here somewhere, and then plastic around it. But the intercoolers are gonna sit like right up here and there. We'll see. That's for another day. Thanks for watching again, guys. And for those of you who have been patient, thank you for being patient. But yeah, that is that. I will see you guys with round 2 tomorrow.
Oh, kill him!
Okay guys, so as I'm editing, here's what I'm seeing. Crikey. I was laughing too hard. Jose caught me. Straight up fail of the week, and it's only Monday. I was gonna say, crikey, spotted a wild Jose. But, oh man, I'm tired, and I have the giggles, I think. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.